A new dawn signals the start of an epic. Imagine a road, a canvas of diversity, waiting to be explored with the indomitable spirit of Suzuki VStrom SX. Journey with us from Varanasi's sacred banks through Agra's architectural wonders to Udaipur's royal paths. Then to the coastal melodies of Brahmapur and Pune's tranquil beauty. VStrom invites you on an odyssey through the heart of India. This isn't just a ride, it's a voyage through time, across terrains, uncovering stories that lie in India's expanse. Suzuki VStrom SX. Own the adventure, ride the legend.